street still thinking about you. It's been so long, but I'm still hung upon you.
Hey guys, so this is our shoot looking today.
Ready for bachata in tu casa.
Hey. Follow. Hey. Forward.
Hey everyone, here's Anna from Schwabentraum. Airline Flash asked us to show you a little inspiration what we're doing while staying at home. So I will show you this little book. I try to write inside of it every day. Sometimes I'm just putting a picture inside of it. Sometimes I'm writing something or a recommendation. Then I have something like a little vision board inside of it. You can just put whatever you want inside of it. And it's a great routine for every day. It makes a lot of fun. Just put in it what's in your mind and stay safe. We wish you all the best. Have a great time.
Hi guys! So my name is Ocean, I'm from Belgium, and actually I'm doing more or less the same as usual. So I'm a writer in Belgium and I'm working from home. So this is what I'm doing.
Hello everyone, this is Baling here from Brisbane, Australia, and the one thing that I'm doing during this crazy time is checking my comparison. What am I comparing my life to? Because if we compare life to what life was before this whole thing, it is easy to get depressed. But if we just hold on for a second and make a very low comparison, like, life is already amazing. One of the things I always say to myself, no matter how bad it gets, at least I'm not on a sinking ship in the middle of the Atlantic.
Hey, what's up, Ellen Flash? So for me to pass the time as the world's on lockdown, I've decided to try to make some recipes that I normally wouldn't have time for in a normal week. So today we're trying to do some sweet potato and chicken frittatas, and let's see how these turn out.
okay. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking the news. Get up. Stop and start walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like rock and Cosby's. But again, no, y'all can't copy it. Yeah. Move on. This here is our
Hey, I'm Sean, and this is my isolation. This is the room I'm spending the most time in. It's my office. Hanging out here with my dog Rampage. Hey, bud. Got my Seek Discomfort flag on the wall, just a reminder that no matter what's going on, you can always push those limits. So, what am I doing in my isolation? I am learning marketing. I got my whiteboard, my marketing books, and this is something that gets me going, something I've wanted to dive into more, and it energizes me. And I see right now as a great opportunity to not have distraction, you know? When you're kind of forced to stay in a place, you just choose that focus, right? You can focus on the things that you can't do, or you can focus on the things that you can do. And for me, it's a really great time to hammer down on something that I wanted to learn and not have any distractions, so it makes it almost easier in some sense. So my challenge to you is, what's something you've been putting off? Maybe it's reading a book, maybe it's learning a language, maybe it's gardening. Yeah, now's the time to dive into something that you've been putting off that you've always wanted to do. So set maybe 5 minutes aside, write that down, and get at it. Cheers.
So, you started your lockdown and you don't know what to do. Here's a list of things that I do to pass the time.
So, what you up to this weekend?
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And reconnect with a bunch of people that I haven't caught up with recently, and of course try to make some money.
Hi guys, I'm making this short video for you today to give you some inspiration. I know at the moment it's really hard to be confined 24/7, so Because I practice a lot of yoga, I would recommend you guys to practice it as well. I think even if you are beginners, you will see it will help you to find some peace in your mind. Yoga is really good to release your mind and your spirit, and especially during this stressful period. So just practice as much as you can, maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Stay safe, stay at home, and take care of yourself. Namaste.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Hi everyone. I've just spent the last, I'd say, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours maybe drawing the Mona Lisa or La Gioconda. Very happy with the details. Took a while perfecting.
Hi, I'm going to share with you guys 2 things that I'm doing right now during these crazy times that we're all going through. First things first, learning a new language. Very passionate about this. I downloaded this app called Duolingo app, and I'm going to learn, I guess, French or German, one of these 2. And the second thing, cooking new recipes. I have this cooking book, so I will cook every day a new recipe. So that's it.
So one thing that I've been doing to try to keep me happy and to keep my mood up during this quarantine is we learned how to play the guitar. I used to play it like pretty okay. It's been a while, so I'm trying to get back into it. I'm not great. Not great, but we're getting there. It's keeping me busy, it's keeping me happy, and most importantly, I'm healthy and safe in the comfort of my own home.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Yalda and I am social distancing because I do live with my parents who are over the age of 60, and some things that I am doing positively are journaling every day, journaling how I feel, things that I'm proud of myself for doing on a daily basis, and I'm doing Wim Hof's breathing techniques, and they're called shower therapies that he often talks about, as well as reading books.
Let's just smile. This is only gonna last a little while. So why don't we just smile? This is only lasting just a little while.
Hello everyone, my name is Romeo, I'm from Belgium, and here's something you can do if you're locked up at home because of the virus. So, if there's something you've always wanted to do but you had no time to do it because of, the pressure of work or school, now is the perfect time to do it. For example, me, I've always wanted to write short stories and stories in general, and now I finally have the time to do it. So just find something you've always wanted to do, a passion, something, and then throw yourself into it. Now is the perfect opportunity. Now you can get inspiration as well. So that's my advice for you. Just do whatever you've always wanted to do but had no time to do it. If that sounds okay.
Hey friends, it's Bulty. I've been quarantined and sheltering in place, and just wanted to share a few tips of what I've been up to while I've been inside. I've been, first of all, snuggling up with my cute pup, Timon. And also I've been catching up on some reading. I've been doing some online courses and making some phone calls and just connecting with some friends over Zoom. So yeah, hope you all are staying well. Bye!
So our friends Ella and Flash asked us what are we doing as we are social distancing from the people around us. So guess what? This is what I'm doing. Cooking at home. And the burger is ready.
Okay, come back. Come back. Hey friends, I recently started my new calligraphy hobby, which is interesting. But I just had a notebook, and then I went and bought some calligraphy pens, and I printed out some banners from on Pinterest, and I've just kind of been diving in to a newfound hobby, and I'm also trying to learn French and learn guitar, and that is how I've been staying sane during this quarantine time. And best wishes, please stay safe and please stay healthy, and I'll hopefully see you soon.